Hey everyone, I am here with Julia Mezher, and she is like the most important person that I know that can answer this question that I'm bringing to you today. And I've got a secret for you. She actually works with Chicago. I'm gonna let her tell it, okay? That way you can find out what she actually
Don't tell
does.
him. Let me tell it. Don't tell him the secret. I'm going to tell it.
Okay. So I actually asked Julia to come give us some information because I'm getting a lot of questions about closing in trust. And a lot of people don't even know you can close in trust. They don't realize what it is. So I just wanted her to share for a little bit. Can you tell us what is a trust?
Yeah. So there's different, a trust is a vehicle, specifically a land trust is a vehicle that holds real estate in it, right? And so I work with a company called Chicago Title Land Trust Company. And all I do is specialize in land trust. I live and breathe land trust 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. A land trust, like I said, is a vehicle that holds real estate in it. And it has several benefits to it. So one of the biggest benefits is privacy. So when you close on a piece of real estate in a land trust, all of your information is not exposed on the public record. When you close into a land trust, the buyer of the property actually ends up being Chicago Title Land Trust number 12345 instead of it being Julia Mezher. So if someone were to then Google my name, Julia Mezher, there would be no real estate that pops up under my name because the property is technically in the land trust number. What'd you say?
Right. When you first think about trusts or land trusts, you wonder what it is. But it looks like it's just something to help with privacy so that I guess people don't see what I own and what I do. Is that kind of like what it is?
Absolutely. Sometimes when people hear the word trust, they start to overcomplicate. They think it's expensive. They think it's complicated. They think it's very costly and time consuming. And land trusts are the opposite of that. Land trusts are the easiest way to have privacy when you buy real estate. And they're also the most affordable estate planning tool for your biggest asset, which is your real estate. And especially in a time like right now, it's very important for us to be protecting our assets. Real estate usually being the biggest asset that most people own. So not only are land trusts a privacy protection tool, but they are also an incredible estate planning tool as well.
That is like eye-opening information because a lot of people never even knew what a trust was or a land trust or closing a trust. It just sounds so complicated and you just make it seem so easy and breaking it down really is just something that's out there to protect me, right?
100%. There's no reason not to have one. I get that question asked a lot. So what? Okay, this all sounds too good to be true. Like, what's the downside? And there really is no downside. In today's day and age, it's super important to be layering and protecting yourself, making sure that your assets are insulated, and that, in the event something should happen to you, your assets go to who you want them to, not to who the state of Illinois decides that they should go to. So land trusts are just a very easy, affordable, and quick way to make sure that you and your loved ones are protected.
Awesome. That's some good information. Thanks for sharing that with us. Now, the question of the day.
Yes.
If I was interested in land trust or closing in trust, how do I find out more? Who do I contact? What do I do?
Here I am, live and live in color, right? So you simply just shoot me an email, Julia, Julia .mezher, MEZHER @ctt.com, or feel free to give me a call, 847-219-2463, and I'm happy to answer any and all questions when it comes to anything land trust.
That's awesome. I will be posting her information so you can find her and find out more about it. Thanks so much, Julia. Appreciate you sharing.
Thanks so much for having me.